On Wednesday, the report from the US Department of Energy was in the spotlight as neither Washington nor Beijing commented on developments in their trade confrontation. In the meantime, the Energy Information Administration's data showed a decline of 10 million barrels in the US oil stockpiles, while the market expected stocks to lower only by 2 million. However, statistics looked inconsistent. On the one hand, the contraction of oil reserves was 5 times bigger than expected. It's a positive signal. On the other hand, the report also pointed at a significant decrease in imports, which may be a one-time occurrence. Once the report was released, oil traders fixed their profits and the quote corrected downwards. Today, oil keeps on falling. Nevertheless, it's still trading sideways between 59.40 and 60.20 amid uncertainty regarding the global economy's prospects and further oil demand. These days, the US-China trade talks are the main market driver. Only related news can trigger a major movement and form oil trend. Yesterday, the Russian currency was quite weak. The dollar-ruble pair had a minor correction this morning and then approached its August high. So far, it has not managed to pass the resistance level at 67 points. Today, the situation is not favorable for the ruble. The pair may attempt to break above 67 points again. However, it's difficult to forecast the result as the important macroeconomic releases from the United States are due. The dollar-ruble pair's movement depends on this data, so it will either consolidate above 67 or return to 65. Market players should prepare for high volatility. The upcoming GDP and real estate market data from the US may have a major impact on the greenback's dynamic. On Wednesday, statistical data from the US and Europe strengthened the US dollar against its rivals. The GDP is anticipated to rise by 2% in the second quarter. If the GDP data is better than expected, the greenback will grow, lowering chances of major rate cuts by the Fed. Otherwise, weak data will put the American currency under pressure. We keep on following developments in the market. Stay with us.